Hey guys, welcome to the
D
and Q
Experience!
Okay, shh, it's quiet time now, guys. It's late. Welcome to our channel, guys. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a house tour of our rental home that we have here in Champion Gate, Florida. Gonna be a quick house tour. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. We arrived pretty late, but here is the house. We're coming in, we have a garage right here, and this is the front door. It is a lock panel. I'm sure all rental houses now have that. This one does come with the ring light, or ring alarm. Coming in, this is the entryway. Immediately to the left is the first queen bedroom. This will be Damion and I's bedroom. The nice queen size bed. Of course, it has a nice closet. Here's the bathroom. Immediately to the left, before we go this way, we're gonna go upstairs. Coming up the stairs to the right is the second bedroom. Also a queen. This room is larger, with a larger closet as well.
Mommy? I can take off my shoes?
This room has a bathroom attached with a shower. The next room we have here is to the right. Well, let's go to the bathroom first. Also, another bathroom is here with the linen closet as well. Off this bathroom is the third bedroom. This room has a bunk bed. Looks like a full-size bed and a twin bed at the top. Also a closet. You seen one closet, you seen them all. I'm not showing you guys any more closets until the master. Coming out that room, we have a sitting area right here
To watch TV.
to watch TV.
You can watch superheroes or on Netflix. Cool, isn't it?
Another closet. Coming down the hallway, we're gonna go to the right. This is bedroom number 4. This is the boys' bedroom. A twin or queen, I don't know. But it's a bunk bed in this room as well. Another bathroom. And then the 5th bedroom, which is the teenage girls' room. We have a full bed here, and then another bunk bed there. On to the last bedroom. This is bedroom number 6, and this is the master. So overview from outside. This is the largest room here, of course. It's huge. Very nice. A king-size bed. A nice walk-in closet. So if you're staying for a long time, you can unpack and have space. And the master bathroom, which is, it has our towels in it. That is so cute. Oh, you guys never seen our towels, but it has our towels. This is nice. The double sinks. A nice sitting soaking tub. It's not a jacuzzi. It's just a soaking tub. And then a nice size shower. Okay, and the toilet is in there. Don't gotta see that. And that is the master bathroom. All right, let's go down to the kitchen. And here's the kitchen. Very, very spacious kitchen. It has an island with the sink and seating for 4 of your friends or family.
And this ball says, let's eat.
Let's eat, yes. We have a shaker here that will not be used. Nice cabinets. The cabinets match the bathrooms. Very nice. And over here is the dining table. And a nice little sitting area. I guess if you had like a computer or something, Nice little sitting area. You put your laptop and your computer, set it up and work. On second thought, this would probably be a coffee bar. If you lived here for real. And there is a pantry, you know, you need to open that. You've seen one, you've seen them all. And here is the living room. Very nice.
Not the bed.
And out here is the sitting area next to the pool. Nice little picnic area. It is a little bit dark out here, but this is another side seating, nice grill. It has a security gate for your babies. I'm gonna insert a picture right here of what it looks like in the daytime for you guys. Yeah, so that is how it looks in the daytime. Thank you so much for watching this house tour today. Also, there is a garage and a laundry room. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy our little weekend getaway. If you guys wanna join us on our weekend getaway, be sure to check out our other videos. It'll be in the description box below under Orlando Vacation. All right, you guys are gonna say bye?
Bye.
Bye, guys.